Have you ever wondered how to turn those countless hours scrolling through TikTok into a profitable venture? Well, we're about to delve into an easy step-by-step guide on how to make money online using your mobile phone and TikTok. First off, establish your brand. Your brand is your identity. It's what sets you apart from the sea of TikTok users. Are you a fitness enthusiast, a makeup guru, a travel junkie, or maybe a food lover? Figure out what you're passionate about, what you can consistently create content around, and how you can make it unique. Next, build your profile. Upload a profile picture that represents your brand, write a catchy bio, and don't forget to link your Instagram or YouTube account if you have one. This will give your audience more ways to connect with you. Now you're ready to create content. Consistency is key. Regular uploads increase your chances of being seen by more people. And remember, quality trumps quantity. Make sure your videos are clear, engaging, and on brand. You've established your brand, built your profile, and started creating content. Now it's time to grow your follower base. Engage with your audience. Respond to comments on your posts. Follow and interact with people who share similar interests. This can help increase your visibility and attract more followers. Once you have a substantial following, you can start monetizing. There are several ways to do this on TikTok. You can join the TikTok Creator Fund and get paid based on your views. You can also partner with brands for sponsored posts, or you can sell your own products or services. The possibilities are endless. To wrap things up, making money on TikTok involves 4 key steps. First, establish your brand. Know what you're passionate about and how you can make it unique. Second, build your profile. Make it catchy and link your other social media accounts. Third, create quality content consistently. And finally, grow your follower base and start monetizing. Remember, success doesn't happen overnight. It requires patience, consistency, and a lot of creativity. But with the right strategy, you can turn your TikTok hobby into a money-making venture. So, take out your phone, open that TikTok app, and start creating. The world is ready to see what you've got.